Hi everyone! Good morning! So for today's vlog, yan, ipapakita ko nga po sa inyo yung aming banyo kasi it's finished guys! Tapos na siya gawin. Actually, nung nakaraan pa po siya tapos gawin pero hindi ko siya nabablog. hindi ko din po siya na-vlog nung finishing ng wall and then nung pagkabit ng ating pinto. Hindi ko din po siya na-vlog kasi wala po ako dito sa bahay. Kaya po, nung umuwi po ako is tapos na po yung ating banyo. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung aming munting banyo. Ang cute niya guys. Super liit niya lang. Ang liit niya lang, bagay na bagay siya sa akin. Cute size, so small bathroom. So, I will show you guys. Sa inyo ating CR. Look, that's the door. And I will open it. When you open, look. Ayan na siya, di ba maliit lang. Ayan yung kanyang toilet bowl and then timba. Ayan lang siya, guys. Pag pumasok ako, sarado na. Ayan na lang. Ayan lang yung space. Ayan lang yung space niya. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. Maliit lang siya. Parang ako. Bagay na bagay. So, ayan, finish na yung wall niya. Finishing and then, ayan yung pinto namin, guys, is plywood lang. Plywood lang siya. Oops. Labas. Look. That's the bathroom. It's very small, guys. Look. That is very small. Late niya lang, kasya lang ako sa loob niya. Actually, dito ako naliti. Pinagkakasya ko lang yung sarili ko and then yung batiya. Diba? Ganyan lang siya kalaki, guys. Ang late niya lang talaga, as in. May masiaran lang talaga kami. Ang ingin ng mga batas ba? May masiaran lang talaga kami, kaya kahit ganito kaliit is okay na, guys. Maliit lang. Super liit talaga niya, as in. Pinagkakasya ko nga lang yung sarili ko dito pag naliligo ako. Ano ba ang cute? Parang ako. Ang cute ng aming CR. Sobrang liit niya lang. So yun guys, tapos na nga yung CR namin. Kaso di ko talaga siya na-vlog nung finishing ng wall and then yung pagkabit ng pinto. So yung pinto nga pala namin is plywood lang. Hindi siya yung pang bathroom door talaga because the bathroom door is expensive and it's not fits on the bathroom, guys. It's bleeding, guys, because of the door of the bathroom. It's bleeding. So hindi siya yung pang pinto talaga na pambanyo, yung plastic, because it's quite expensive. I think it's like 2,500. So my money is not enough, so I use the plywood for the door. Alam nyo ba guys, yung CR namin, kaya ganun lang siya kaliit is, dati kasi, ayun yung aming kitchen. Before, that is my kitchen before, guys. Maliit lang talaga yung space na yon. So, pinatanggal ko na nga yung kitchen namin para may mapagtayuan kami ng CR, ng bathroom kasi wala kami pagtatayuan dito sa loob ng bahay namin kasi sobrang liit lang talaga ng bahay namin, guys. So, anong nangyari ngayon? Wala naman akong luto. Wala akong kitchen ngayon. May CR nga ako pero I don't have kitchen, guys. So, hindi ako nakakapagluto talaga ng ulam. Actually, lagi lang kami nabili ng mga lutong ulam sa palengke. And then, sometimes, we cook on my mother-in-law's house. Cook dish on my mother-in-law's because I don't have kitchen. Alam nyo ba, bumili pa ako ng bagong burner. At yung gasol ko is wala pa siyang bawas. So, I'm planning to buy gas stove rack. It's a gas stove rack, guys. Gas stove rack. I will search it so you can see, guys. I will buy. I think it's like, I look in the market and it's 1,500. I will search it so you can see what I'm saying because I don't have kitchen right now. So I'm going to buy that one. When I have extra money, I will buy it on the market. But I actually look it on the market, guys. It's beautiful and it's fit here to my small house. It's fit here because my house is very small. Space saver. So I will going to buy it soon when I have extra money. So guys, look, this is what I'm saying. I'm going to buy this gas stove rack. Yan. So you can place the burner and the gas stove here. Oh no, the gas stove and the gas. What we call that? Yan. I will buy that. I look in the market and the price is 1,500. It's very beautiful and it's a space saver. So I really want to buy this. I really want to buy that. I'm so sorry. Yan. Look. Oh, diba ang ganda niya, guys? It's very beautiful. Look. So I'm planning to buy that very soon when I have extra money because the kitchen before is the bathroom now. So I don't have kitchen but at least I have bathroom now. You want to see the gas stove, guys, and the gas tank? It's there. I'm not using it. I hope very soon I buy the gas stove rack so I will cook this year at house. So I always fried egg and hot dog and fish. Here's the gas tank. Oh, it's full pa. And this is my new burner, the gas stove. It's new. I buy it when Sir JB also gave me money. I buy it. So I'm still not used it because you know what? No kitchen, guys. So I really want to thank Sir JB Outdoor. Thank you so much, Sir JB, for all the blessing that you shared to me now. I finally have my own bathroom, so I will not go to my neighborhood house to use the bathroom. Thank you so much, Sir JB. I hope more blessing to come to you and to your family because you're so kind and generous person. Thank you so much again, Sir JB. So I'm not going to other house to poop. Thank you so much again. Diba? It's nice. I don't have kitchen, but I have bathroom. Before it's kitchen, but now it's bathroom. Thank you, Sir JB. Love you always. More blessing to come to you and to your family. So, ayun guys, ito ko na nga pala tatapusin ang aking vlog for today's video. Ayan, pasensya na kayo kasi hindi ko talaga na-vlog yung pagpapatapos ng ating CR kasi wala po talaga ako dito sa bahay nung ginawa yung banyo. So, hindi ko talaga siya na-vlog. Sorry guys, na-miss nyo yung pag-finishing ng wall and then pagkabit ng pintuan. So, ayun guys, magkita-kita tayo sa akin next vlog. Thank you so much to all supporter. I hope you support me guys until the end of time. And guys, see you on my next vlog. Sir JV, thank you so much. Kuya Jaleka, I really miss you. I love you, Kuya. I hope you're always okay. Sir Steve, miss you so much. Sir SK, love you. I miss you. Sir Randy. Ate J, Tito Fred, Kuya Pogi Tropa, love you always. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Parang Kali, Kuya Amboy, love you. Bye guys. See you on my next vlog.